Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is we will be covering something that's really useful if you've been creating characters in this website with poly.ai. So how to delete a character you no longer need. So of course you need to log into your account and then head over here. So in this section, you'll be able to see here different options here and then head over to this one. So here you can see here my gallery, create character. So what you need to do here is tap on that one. So again, if you tap on that one, you will be able to see here the different sections. And then look for the options generate character. Here you can see here create or upload, and then below that one is the character bank. And as you can see here, you will be able to see here the small icon of a trash or delete icon. And here they will ask you if you want to delete this character, choose the button cancel or delete and then delete because you're going to delete your character. So after you delete that one, make sure that you will be deleting this one irreversible after deletion. So here, tap on that one. And then after that one, there is no character here. So you want to have own AR partner? Don't worry guys, you can still create your character here or here you can upload a JSON or character. And that's it guys on how to delete your character in this Poly AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!